The history of China is one of the longest and most complex in the world, spanning over 5,000 years. It is characterized by numerous dynasties, cultural achievements, and political upheavals. Prehistoric China. The earliest evidence of human activity in China dates back to around 2.2 million years ago. Archaeological finds from the Paleolithic era show that early humans in China were using stone tools and hunting animals. Xia Dynasty, c. 2100 to 1600 BCE. The Xia dynasty was the first dynasty in China, but its existence is disputed by scholars. According to legend, the Xia dynasty was founded by Yu the Great, who is said to have controlled flooding along the Yellow River. Shang dynasty, c. 1600 to 1046 BCE. The Shang dynasty was the first dynasty to leave written records, and its rulers developed a sophisticated system of writing using oracle bones. They also developed bronze metallurgy, which allowed for the production of intricate ritual vessels and weapons. Shu dynasty, 1046–256 BCE. The Shu dynasty was the longest-lasting dynasty in Chinese history, and it was a time of significant cultural and intellectual achievements. The philosopher Confucius lived during this period, and his teachings had a profound impact on Chinese culture and society. Qin dynasty, 221–206 BCE. The Qin dynasty was the first dynasty to unify China under a single ruler. Qin Shi Huangdi. He is known for his construction of the Great Wall of China and the Terracotta Army. Han Dynasty, 206 BCE 220s. The Han Dynasty is considered the golden age of Chinese civilization. It was a time of economic prosperity, cultural achievements, and military expansion. During this period, the Silk Road was established, connecting China to the Mediterranean world. Tang Dynasty, 618–907. The Tang Dynasty was another period of great cultural and intellectual achievement in China. It was a time of economic prosperity, artistic flourishing, and the spread of Buddhism in China. Song Dynasty, 960–1279. The Song dynasty was a time of significant technological advancements, including the invention of movable type printing, gunpowder, and the compass. It was also a time of cultural flowering, with the development of landscape painting, poetry, and the novel. Yun Dynasty, 1279–1368. The Yun dynasty was the first dynasty to be ruled by non-Chinese people, the Mongols. The most famous ruler of the Yuan dynasty was Kublai Khan, who expanded the empire and promoted cultural exchange between China and other parts of the world. Ming Dynasty, 1368–1644. The Ming Dynasty was a time of cultural and artistic flowering, as well as economic and agricultural growth. During this period, the Forbidden City was built in Beijing, and the voyages of Zhang He helped to expand China's influence in the Indian Ocean. Qing Dynasty, 1644–1912. The Qing dynasty was the last imperial dynasty in China. It was a time of both stability and decline, as the dynasty faced challenges from foreign powers and internal rebellions. The Opium Wars, Boxer Rebellion, and Qing Rebellion were all major events that occurred during the Qing dynasty. Republic of China, 1912–1949. The Republic of China was established after the fall of the Qing dynasty. It was a time of political turmoil and foreign invasion, with both the Japanese and the Western powers exerting influence over China. People's Republic of China, 1949 present. The People's Republic of China was established in 1949 after the Chinese Communist Party defeated the nationalists in a civil war. Under the leadership of Mao Zedong, China underwent significant political, social, and economic changes. Today, China is a global economic power and a major. China is a vast and diverse country with many beautiful places to visit, so it's difficult to choose just one. Here are some popular destinations that are considered to be among the most beautiful places in China. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, known for its stunning natural rock formations and misty mountain views. Huangshan, Yellow Mountain, famous for its dramatic peaks, stunning sunrises, and sea of clouds. Guilin and Yangshuo, known for its picturesque landscapes of karst limestone hills and winding rivers. Jiaosu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with crystal-clear lakes, waterfalls, and colorful forests. Lijiang Old Town, a charming, historic town with traditional architecture and a beautiful canal system. The Great Wall of China, one of the most iconic landmarks in China, with stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Mount Everest Base Camp, for those seeking adventure and breathtaking views of the world's highest mountain. These are just a few of the many beautiful places to visit in China, and there are many more depending on your interests and preferences. China is one of the most powerful countries in the world, with significant economic, military, and political influence. Here are some key facts about China's power. Economic power. China is the world's second largest economy after the United States, and it has been growing rapidly over the past few decades. It is the world's largest exporter of goods, and it holds trillions of dollars in foreign reserves. China is also a member of the World Trade Organization and has significant influence in international trade. Military power. China has the largest standing army in the world, with over 2 million active-duty soldiers. It has also been investing heavily in its military modernization, including developing new weapon systems and expanding its navy. China has also conducted a series of military exercises and has territorial disputes with neighboring countries. Political power. China is a one-party state led by the Communist Party of China, which has significant control over the country's political and economic systems. China also holds a permanent seat on the United Nations Security Council and has veto power over important international decisions. Soft power. China has been increasingly using its cultural and diplomatic influence to project its power around the world. China is the world's largest producer of movies and has been expanding its media reach through platforms such as CCTV and Xinhua News Agency. China has also been investing heavily in infrastructure projects around the world through initiatives such as the Belt and Road Initiative. Overall, China's power is multidimensional and continues to grow, with significant implications for the rest of the world.